King Canberra 17, representing NGIS 1A.
Jamie Isabella Papaton, 19, HRS 2AFP!
Tom Harold Asuncion 18, ACT 1B.
Elvison Ramos Kibuya, 18, representing HRS 1CND!
Marco Ingarapenya, 18, representing HRS 1B. Angela Benevicencio, proudly representing ACT 1B.
Denmark Moises 21 from ACT 2B.
Janelle Soria Judelia, 20, proudly representing Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management!
Abraham Planas 19, ACT 2C.
Roselle Joy B. Fakula, 18, proudly representing HRS 1A!
April Robles 13, representing PSA
Scar Marquez, representing ACT 1B.
Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Let's give it up for your hosts, Mr. Lex Peralta and Mr. Jerwin Lamaste.
Well, family and friends, this is it. Welcome to Quito Municipal Auditorium, and this is the Mr. and Miss CRT Quito 2025.
So hard to start this ending the biggest round of applause. Pwede naman ang hiyawan at palakpakan! You know what, partner, that this program is not just a competition, but it's also a celebration of beauty. They are just representing that CRPNs are not just only intelligent, but also they possess beauty. Am I right, partner?
Tama ka dyan, Sir Jerwin. Alam mo, nakatapos lang ng palarong 2025 natin at ramdam na ramdam ko pa rin ang energy ng bawat isa dito sa atin, Sir Jerwin. Kaya naman, ituloy-tuloy na natin to.
And at this point, before we open our much awaited search for brilliance, confidence, and elegance, we shall hear a message from one of the pillars of leadership in our institution.
His commitment and guidance continuously inspire every CRTN to strive for excellence both in and out of the classroom. Let us welcome our campus head, Mr. Leon B. Aripuyuta.
On behalf of our college director, Mr. Leon P. Arbutan, to our senior high school head, Mrs. Christina Jane S. Arbutan, to our judges, visitors, and students, good afternoon. Atos po po nagpapasalamat ng ating campus director sa pagdalhin po sa big event na CRT, which is Mr. and Miss CRT 2025, and to our candidates, good luck and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Sir Arvin. Well, partner, unfortunately, hindi pa natin sa ngayon. At medyo nag-ibig yung sa natin representative. But anyway, Sir Jerwin, ituloy-tuloy na natin to. Siyempre, hindi matatapos ang gabing ito na hindi makikilala ang mga tagapamiling ngayong araw na ito. Kasi ba ang deserving manalo ngayong araw na ito, Sir Jerwin? Kaya, every competition of praise and intellect deserves a fair judgment guided by wisdom and experience.
Tonight, we are honored to introduce our distinguished panel of judges, individuals whose expertise and integrity ensure that only the most deserving candidates will shine.
Kaya naman, ang ating first judge, it is my honor, na ipakilala ang ating mga judges ngayong gabi. Ang sasakit ang ulo, Sir Jerwin, sa pagpili ng mga deserving manalo ngayong araw na ito. Kaya naman, ituloy-tuloy na natin ito. Our first judge is a dedicated educator and a businesswoman with 11 years of service under the Department of Education. She represents San Miguel Elementary School.